Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you how to fix if your Roblox keep crashing. So first of all guys, you have to remove Roblox app from your phone or iPad. Remove it. Just click on delete and delete again. If you're getting this error, if your Roblox is crashing, then you have to first of all uninstall your Roblox app. Now just need to go to App Store and search for Roblox and tap on Roblox. And now you just need to reinstall your Roblox app again. Once your Roblox app installed, you just need to open and log in with your username and password. Once you guys log in, and now what you can do here, you just need to open any game on Roblox. Now you just need to tap on this Roblox icon over here and go to settings. And now guys, first of all, let me reduce the volume. So first of all guys, in the graphic mode you have to keep it manual and just set it as low as possible. So it will improve your gameplay, and also it will reduce the lag and increase the FPS. And also you have to keep reduce motion off to get low lag. So after this setting you can play this game and you can play Roblox without crashing. Hope you like it. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.